So I had a talk, the evening chat with the Swedish guy and the Kiwi guy, three of us, plus Tina, who is the wife of the Kiwi. And those Kiwi guys spent time in China teaching as a professor, going back and forth many times. So it's very interesting that we meet every year, and they're all about 77 years old. And I coordinated that we get together and meet. So this time we had discussion about AI, about the politics, about the future, about what we do in our life, all of that. 3 hours. It's nice to get together at this age to compare notes, and there are more to follow. Friends, meeting, sharing, discussing, comparing notes. It's a lovely evening and more to come. When my friend from Japan comes, hopefully we get together again. My friend, of course, is my age, 77, from the high school days. Good friend for how many years? 60 years? And he come here. Whereas I usually meet him in Japan. Every time I go to Japan, I spend time with him. Also at the small town, Matsuzaki in Izu Peninsula, where there's the Zen temple. There's a shrine for the Japanese religion, and a nice diving spot where I do kayak and catch some fish and stay in the hot spring every now and then. So I'm lucky to have those friends and the locations, but always the main theme, it hasn't changed. I think I mentioned about the point I said perhaps in one of the videos. Heaven helps those who help themselves. That is it. That's right, I made a video on the iPhone, so you can see that one too. It's good to have lived 77 years and still, hopefully, to contribute something for the current and future generation, which may not happen, but why not? Again, if there's a mission, the will, and connect to the nature's way, there gotta be something connected for our creative idea, becoming the wisdom and compassion. Whatever the amount, it doesn't matter, but I see that's my role and your role as well. So that's pretty much is the message. We covered so many areas because we haven't seen for how many months? 8 months, 9 months, something like that. But that was a good evening. Maybe we may record some of the conversation, but maybe that's too much. But with good intention and good meeting structure, and not pushing anyone's idea too much, polite, yet still I may throw some stones into the pond, so to speak, to see what may come out. And that's part of the way. And I think that actually is what Frank, Swedish guy, started. That life is like a moving, not just straight, moving right and left. And you go a little bit too much and learn from that. And to that Michael said something about Goethe. I forgot the exact word, but it's something like because of the evil stuff and difficult stuff that create us to be positive to move forward. If there's no negative stuff, the positive may not show up. So over time, that may have been the case, and we may be structured as much, and there's no simple, easy way going forward. But keeping mistakes and reflecting, check, act, plan, do, each to learn and share with others and find a way going forward. May all beings be happy. We had a happy time to get together, perhaps few times a year. I don't know how many more times that we have this occasion. But everybody in that group looked energized and be happy to be able to be together. Hope it continues and hope there's something that I can report. May all beings be happy. That's the direction. Let's work on it. And heaven helps those who help themselves. No doubt. Thank you.